Here I have a new install of WordPress, and it has the Beaver Builder theme, the Beaver Builder page builder, Woocommerce, and Assistant installed on it. And what I'd like to do is add a hodgepodge of creative assets from other sites that I've uploaded to Assistant libraries. So the first one that I'm going to be working with is this one here called Beaver Jams. So I created a homepage design for Beaver Jams in another workshop, and I've added the theme settings and the styles from that site, as well as a page of lorem ipsum text that I've wrapped off another site. Next, I'm going to be working with some more placeholder content. This is a collection of Woocommerce placeholder content, and I just added a bunch of lorem ipsum text with some stock images from Unsplash. Sometimes it's really nice to have some placeholder content in a site so that you can see how the archive pages are going to look once the content's populated. And I have a different set of placeholder content that is for blog posts. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is import this piece of content that just has a bunch of headings and buttons on it. I just want to point out that we have two options from this create new drop-down menu. We can create and edit, or we can import. The import option will make the content available to you on the back end of your site, while create and edit will open up the page for you to work with right away. I'm going to go ahead and select create and edit. Okay, so this is how this looks with the default theme settings. Now I'm going to go in and import the theme settings from my library. And before I import those, I'm just going to quickly preview it, and it looks good to me. So let's apply these theme settings to our theme. Next, I'll add the library of WooCommerce products to my site. So for WooCommerce products and posts, we have all these same options that we did for the lorem ipsum text page that I imported earlier. We also have the option to import the entire library, and that's what I'm going to do here. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this library filled up with placeholder posts that I have. And if you have images that are on more than one post, you don't need to worry about it because Assistant won't import duplicate images. And here's the post content that we just imported over here in the content app. I'm going to head over to the media browser because I want to show you how we import SVG graphics. So if I try to drag an SVG file here, you can see that I get this error message because WordPress by default doesn't allow SVG graphics. But I wanted to show you real quick how we can add SVG graphics using Assistant. So we just upload it like any other piece of media, and there it is in our Assistant library. So I'm just going to click import to import that into my site. And if we go back to our media browser, there it is. Well, I love what Assistant Pro has done to improve my WordPress workflow. I hope you have fun using it, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye!